Welcome to OBD Sync. I'm Jason, and in today's episode we're programming a body control module for a Chevrolet Caprice PPV to turn on remote start and make some lighting calibration changes. So first off, click on the vehicle button, go to the body control module, and then we'll be brought to this screen here. We're going to click on the flashing tab, and then next click on the configurable options, and we'll see our three selections. So our first being lighting, next being remote start, and our final transmission type. On the lighting, we can change depending what we want, our DRLs and switch lamps, or we can just go to the factory Holden Lighting Specification. For remote start, we're going to enable it, and our transmission type, we're just going to leave as automatic. Then when ready, we're going to go ahead and click on write, which will then begin downloading the required calibration edits. Once these are downloaded, it will then begin the flashing procedure. As we can see here, the actual flashing is very quick. It only takes a few seconds, and that's now done. Once that's completed, we'll have our little pop-up. We're going to click OK. It's going to indicate that we should do an ignition cycle and then clear all faults. So we'll go ahead and go to the DTCs tab along the top there, and we can go ahead and read and clear faults here if we are wanting to, if we have any pending faults. Now, finally, to complete the remote start option, you must also program the RFA to accept the remote start keys. So those keys are actually different, and then learn them to the RFA. And then next, you need to go into the instrument clusters customization menu on the cluster itself, not in the OBD Sync app. You need to scroll to the security settings and then scroll down to the remote start option and make sure that's now set to on. So that option's not normally there. It only appears after the body control module programming. And finally, you need the hood latch switch, as we've shown on the screen here, to complete the remote start installation. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.